friends and fans. In today's class, I'll be going a little bit deeper, and it's going to be much more interesting. Today we are going to be creating a ping pong game. Ping pong. We have a ball bouncing all over the screen, and we have a paddle at the base controlling the ball and stopping the ball from bouncing. So let's go. First thing is to remove this sprite. We don't need this sprite. We remove this sprite. We bring in another sprite and let the sprite be a ball. You can come straight here and type balls. Just type on the sidebar and all the balls you have here. So which of the ball do you prefer? You pick any of the ball. You can pick this beach ball, you can pick this normal ball, you can pick this baseball, you can pick this basketball. This is a soccer ball. So let's go for the ball, the one that changes color. And this ball will be moved to the center of the screen. Anywhere, you can put it anywhere on the screen. As soon as you have it anywhere on the screen, you come to your code center. And the first thing you have to do on the code center is to bring out your green flag from the event. Bring out your green flag from the event. Then go back to your motion. On your motion, you look for points in direction. Points in direction. That will determine the movement of this ball. And your point in direction should be set to 45 degrees. Let's set it to 45 degrees because it has to bounce here, 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 and here. So it will be going like this. So that's why we are setting it to 45 degrees. Then we go back to control block. From the control now, you will be bringing in forever. Look for forever, the C block. Forever, this is forever. Bring it in and go back to your motion. Go back to your motion block and look for move. Bring move in. Your move is going to be, your move will determine the speed of the ball now. So let's use 18. Let's use 18 as our move, as our step. Then look for if on edge, bounce. Once the ball gets to an edge like this, to bounce back. You get to this edge, you bounce back. You get to this edge, you bounce back. So you look for if on edge, bounce. If on edge, bounce. This is if on edge, bounce. Put it into it and let's see what we are saying. You see it now. Can you see the screen? The ball is bouncing. Any edge it touch, it has to bounce back. So let's stop that. That's not the only thing. Now after this particular code, we need a paddle. Sorry. We need a paddle at the base. So we have to bring in a paddle. And getting a paddle means you have to bring in another sprite. So come to your sprite. And just come here straight and type your paddle. Type paddle. Okay, you are seeing the green one. Bring it in. Once it's here, drag it to the base. Let it be at the base like this. Now that it's at the base, you code the paddle. Remember, when you are coding for this, it has to be picked. It has to be highlighted. So it's highlighted like this. You go to your event. Still back to the event. Never minding that you used the event here before, you still have to use event here, so that when you click, never minding that you use when flag is clicked here before, you still have to use when flag is clicked here. So you now have to pick forever. Now go to control and pick forever again because you are creating the code for the paddle. Then you go to your motion and set X. Set X2. Look for set X2. So always somewhere at the base. Set X2. Bring it in. Drop it in. It's showing -7 here. We don't want it to be -7. We want it to be mouse. The mouse will control this. This paddle has to be controlled by a mouse. So you have to set it to be mouse. Set X to be a mouse. Then you have to get that from your sense. Your sensing. Look for mouse X, drag it and drop it where the -7 is. That's it. So now you have the code for the paddle and you have the code for the ball. So once you click on green flag, you can control your paddle. You see it. You can control your paddle from letting the ball to bounce on the base. You can control your paddle from letting the ball. You are not clicking, you are not holding the mouse down, you are just moving the mouse. This one is a bit faster. I set it to be faster. This is a bit faster. If you want it to be slow, a bit slow, you reduce the step here. Reduce it to like 12. When you reduce it to like 12, it will be a bit slow. Let's try it again. You see now that it's a bit slow. So the fastness is based on what you give, the code you program here. The fastness is based on the number you put here. Now if you want the ball to be changing color, to look colorful, you want the ball to always appear in different color, just look for switch. Go to your costume, switch costume, next costume, put it anywhere. Let's try this next costume and see if the ball will be changing color. Do you see it now? But the ball will be giving you different color. So if you now want a background, come to your background and pick any of the background you want. Any of the background will go well. So let me pick, let's pick a pattern, or let's use the moon. Let's pick the moon. And now that I pick the moon, let's play the game ping pong using the moon base. You see it now. So I can drag my base to anywhere. But it's slow. So I want to say thank you. See you in the other class.